Hey everybody, it's your girl Tasha Fierce and welcome back to my channel. Today we will be opening the Jeffree Star Mystery Box. So this one is the holiday season one. This is the middle box, the deluxe. I didn't get the summer one because I didn't have money, and so I knew he was gonna do this, so I saved up some money and got this one. So we're gonna open it. Plus, Halloween is like my favorite season, so let's see. Okay. All right, the first product is Christmas Cookie, and this is a velour liquid lip. I think, two liquid lips. I have Calabasas and the one from Blue Blood. I can't remember what this one is, but this one is nice. It's called Christmas Cookie. It's a nice nude color, and I'm gonna put this on. I think I'm gonna like this. My new chrome purple mirror. Oh girl, yes. Okay. Put some liner with this, and I think this is the color I've been looking for a nice like neutral color. Excuse my face, I didn't put any makeup on today. Okay, yay. Ooh, I see a liquid frost. Okay, I don't have this one. This is Michigan Ice. I think this was the bluish one. Yeah, this was the bluish one. I've seen it on like other people, so I wonder what this is gonna look like on me. Okay, also swatching it like this is also not the same way as you would apply it. That's like a shit ton. And we know his formulas are very, very pigmented, so this is blue. I'm just gonna wipe this off. Okay, so I kind of like wiped it off, but not by too much, and you can still kind of see I need to play around with liquid highlight some more because I don't use it properly, and his formula is so sparkly, and I love sparkle, and I need to learn so I can actually use it, because like look at that, you can still see the sparkle. All right. Well, there is a lot of products in here. Oh girl. Again, another highlight. This is called Mystery Frost, and it's on the back it says the definition of highlight on fleek. Yes. Okay. Ooh. Okay, so it's like a speckly. It's like a speckly. All right, I'm gonna just put all this stuff on my face. Why not? I'm actually taking one of my Morphe Jeffree Star JS4 brushes. Swirl this in. It has little black flecks in it. Okay. Yes, this is also not on top of makeup, so I know that's kind of weird, but I don't know how well it shows up on the camera, but I see it and I like it. And this cute little frost thing, it's a mirror. Like, it's also a mirror. So that's a big size mirror. Ooh, yes, skin frost. I don't know why I never bought this before. This is exciting. Ooh, let's see what else is in the box. Okay, a lip ammunition, and this is in snow cone. I'm not gonna put this one on because obviously I already put on the velour lipstick. Oop, just tore this open. Oh, that's cute. Looks like a little gun or a bullet. I mean, yes, obviously it's called lip ammunition. Okay, that's an interesting color. It's green of some sort. And why not? I'm sure I can use it for Halloween. It might actually go good with other shades. I'm not too sure. Okay, next is, ooh, the gloss. What color is this? Crystal Climax. I actually already have this color, so I'm not going to open the box. I might give it to a friend because I already have this color, Crystal Climax. Let me grab it out of my bag. Yeah, so this is Crystal Climax, and actually this would go pretty good on top of the Christmas cookie. Yeah, look at that. Yeah. So I know, I don't have a full face of makeup and I look kind of whack, but I just got back from the gym and I already showered and I didn't put anything else back on. But I like this color, so that's pretty cool that whoever else gets the deluxe box, I'm not sure what else is in the other boxes, get the gloss. That's really cool. Okay, there's three more products. Not sure what this is. Oh, the mini breaker. I also have one of these. I might give this to a friend or sell it maybe. I don't know how that works. Do a giveaway maybe. Yeah. The gloss and mini breaker. This is actually what I have already bought, so that's cool. Okay, next is a t-shirt, and I hope I got the right size. All right, yes, it's a Halloween themed Can't Relate shirt, and I'm pretty sure this one might be too big, but that's okay. Can always be a sleep shirt, but I like that. So it's the Can't Relate with a skeleton hand. And last but not least, which I see, it's a mirror. It comes in the mirror box. So this one is gonna be like from the actual like Halloween October mystery box theme. So yes, I just bought a purple chrome mirror, but that one would not have been in this box. Ooh, it's orange. Okay. I know that there's an orange, a black, and a white one, I believe, that came out. So this one is the orange one. I really like orange too. So that's awesome. That is really awesome. So now I have 4 mirrors. And I just dropped some stuff. It's all good. Everything's good. Everything's Gucci. All right, so that's what I got from the deluxe Jeffree Star Mystery box. I got 2 things that I've already gotten, or that I've already purchased, but that's okay. I think if people can snag these mystery boxes when they come out, you get a pretty good selection of, like, especially the medium box. I think the small box probably wouldn't have like all of this, but I think you get a pretty good selection of Jeffree Star cosmetic objects that you may not have bought already. So I think last time people were getting like the lip scrub. I was kind of hoping that I was gonna get one, but that's okay. I got some cool lip things. But yeah, like, this is exciting. So I'm looking forward to the collab with Shane Dawson. I followed him a lot when I was younger, and I loved his conspiracy theories and all stuff like that. So now that he's like dabbling in makeup, that's pretty awesome. And then, like, if you watch his actual channel and the new series that he's doing pretty well. I'm pretty proud of him. Like, that's pretty awesome. I mean, it helps that, you know, his friend is Jeffree Star, but we stand on the shoulders of giants. So go him. Go him. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. Please give me a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and I will see all of you in my next video. Okay? Bye!